Hello everyone, I'm Faye, and I have this BLACKPINK Jisoo inspired makeup tutorial to show you guys. If you like BLACKPINK, especially Jisoo, make sure to watch this tutorial until the end, and let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna prepping my skin for the makeup by applying this unicorn essence all over my face. It can moisturize the skin and make the makeup lasting longer. For the foundation, I'll be applying one of my favorite foundation, or actually BB cream for True Concept Eyes. This BB cream has a really nice texture, and when you apply it with a damp makeup blender, it will make the skin look really smooth. And next, you can skip this tab, but since I have dark circles around my eyes, I'll be covering with a cream concealer. Next, I'll be drawing my eyebrows with a maple brown eyebrow pencil, and I try to make the shape look similar with Jisoo's eyebrows in the music video, where she has a slightly thinner eyebrows than her usual eyebrows. And then I'm gonna smudge the line a little bit by using eyebrow powder. She has more than 3 different looks, but I chose to recreate this one which has lighter color eyebrows. So I'm gonna lighten my eyebrows with a light brown eyebrow mascara. For the contour, I'm gonna start from my nose. It's really important to change my nose shape, so I'm gonna shade the side of my nose to re-emphasize the nose bridge. And also apply it under the nose tip like this. And then for this look, I have a high cheekbone, so I'm gonna try to recreate an illusion by applying shading powder onto the cheekbones area, and then bring it slightly inwards around the cheeks, and then eventually bring to the jawline like this. And then I'm gonna apply it onto my temples and forehead as well. This technique is good if you have a white face and want to make it look smaller. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm gonna start with the base color first. I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. And also use a pencil brush to apply it onto my lower lid. Next, I'm gonna take a shimmery gold eyeshadow and use my finger to apply it onto my eyelid. And then I'm gonna line my eyes with a dark brown gel liner. And then to give more definition to the eyeliner, I'm gonna apply a black pen liner on top of it and focusing on the detail. And then I'm gonna apply Whiskey from Naked Smoky onto the other corner of my eyes like this. And then bring it to the other field and line it evenly to create a nice gradation. And then I'm gonna line my waterline with a dark brown eyeshadow and apply more onto the 1/3 of the waterline at the inner corner to create strong look with the eye makeup. And then I'm gonna curl my whole upper lashes. And then apply the mascara onto my upper and lower lashes. After that, carefully apply the glosses. And then for the lips, I'm gonna apply a plum pink lip tint all over my lips, and I create curves outside my lip line around the cupid bow to create Jisoo's heart lips. And then I'm gonna tone down the color a little bit by applying matte light pink lipstick on top of it. And the makeup is done! This is the final look. What do you think about this cover makeup? If you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!